What's up, guys? So we just finished speaking to about 8 to 10 realtors, talked about how my services can really help their clients, and I feel that I really delivered value because they have clients that don't qualify, and they don't just want to shut the door and tell them, well, you don't qualify, you can't buy a home now. It's their job to really keep that hope alive and work with the credit repair company that really can help them with the credit anywhere between 1 to 3 to 6 months, even if it takes a year. But the thing is that they put those clients on a solid pipeline, and when they're ready, they're selling them a home. So if you guys would like for me to come to your office, talk about how my services can really be a valued asset to you and your clients, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so. And I look forward to working with all of you guys. Take care.